Good hail now. Can't see out there, but it's hailing. Wind's really blowing now. Here it comes. That tree moving over there. Must be gusting at 60 miles per hour. Jeez. That's a strong storm. The hail. Big hail too. Get out of the cat. Break that out. Big hail, wow, to wreck their crop. Jeez. That was loud. Not done yet. Here comes the wind. That was bad. I've never seen stuff like that before. Hey, should be standing there. I'm gonna stand back. Hey. Bet my reference is really leaking now. Man alive. That hail was I wonder if it broke my window out or anything. Can't see it. The hail standing there. There's more than dime size hail, nickel size hail. And all ground is all white. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Alright, lightning. Come on, lightning bright. Can't see it, but it's all white, the ground, with nickel size hail. It's all white. Damn. Looks like snow on the ground. Can't see, damn it. Quarter size hail. Yeah, sure, our crops are done now. Yep, I'm sure they are. Damn alive, that was loud. Holy shit. Never heard hail that loud before. Holy crap. All flooded over there. Whole streets are flooded. Everything's flooded everywhere. Here it comes again. The streets are flooded out there completely. I better go down to the basement and see what's going on down here. Oh my god, that was big hail. Could have broke my window out. At least I got it on video, that's what matters. Comes the wind. Yeah, it's done. Some trees laying everywhere. Whole streets flooded in my area. Shit. Well, you can say goodbye to our crops. God damn it. You can say goodbye to our crops, I guess. That looked like big hail too, and it sounded bad, even though you never know. I'll have to inspect my damage tomorrow on my house and the crops. Then I go out there tomorrow at the farm at 7 in the morning. Cat. Well, see you later, guys. Damn, alive, that was bad. I hope it's done. Flooded. Oh my God, that was bad. I hope I can sleep. It is 2 in the morning, and that's when she hailed. Check the roof one more time before I end the video. I think it rained so hard it just doesn't drip. I don't know. No, she's dripping up there. This is crazy. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We got bad hail. There's my bump car. Oh my God, that was bad.